In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font on Google Keep 2026, 5 minutes. Google Keep doesn't offer built-in font choices, but you can still give your notes a fresh look using styled text. We'll do this by generating stylized characters and pasting them into your notes. It's quick, simple, and works across devices, but keep in mind that these are Unicode characters, not true fonts, so I'll share a few tips to keep things readable and searchable along the way. Start by opening keepgoogle.com in your browser. If you're on another Google page, you can click the Google Apps grid in the top right corner and select Keep from the list. Once Keep is open and your notes are visible, leave this tab as is. Next, open a new tab and go to boldtext.io. This site lets you paste your text at the top and instantly see a variety of styled versions below. You don't need to install anything, and it works right in your browser. Now switch back to Google Keep and open the note you want to style. Highlight and copy the text you'd like to change. This could be your title, a heading, or any part of the note. You can do this in small sections if you want different styles for different lines. Return to boldtext.io and paste your copied text into the input box at the top. The page will generate many variations right away. If you want to see even more options, click Show More Text Fonts to expand the list. Browse for something that's clear and easy to read. Some styles are bold or italic like, others are script, monospace, or decorative. When you find a style you like, copy that generated text directly from the site. Then go back to your Keep note and paste it where you want it. Your pasted text will keep the style you picked, and you can mix and match styles within a single note if that helps structure your content. A few tips before you finish. Because these are special characters, Keep search may not always match them like plain text. Screen readers may also read them differently. So consider using styled text mainly for headings or emphasis, and keep body text simple for accessibility. Not every character or emoji has a styled equivalent, so double check special symbols. If you ever want to revert, just paste the original plain text back in. This also works on mobile. Copy your note text, generate a style in your mobile browser, then paste it back into Keep. That's it. Open Keep, grab your text, generate a style on boldtext.io, and paste it back. Have fun giving your notes a clean, customized look while keeping them easy to read.